Everybody would want to belong to. We might not be too rich, but in time when it's all right. We love sharing in people's joy. And for us to have Lucy in this family, she has to adapt. You have to do what? Adapt. And adopt an adoption. You know? So we welcome her officially today. It's a female's production, it's a female family. And in all more than amen. I know more this year, I'm more like more to this year. And this production. More food, more. And here in the city world. Before you come, before the name I got most of them, I got production. I'm why it's not one number. I am having many budget. Oh, you know my name and I go. Here is from grace to grace. I am got from grass to grass. Up, up, up. Yes, sir. And today you can see all these beautiful people here. Single ladies can come in case they're not one.
Single boy.
They are single boy.
Single boy. Single boy.
When you are single mother.
Single boy.
What's she called a lady? Yeah, the Hebrew children. And I come with so many people can hear the women. They need more money to try.
Yes. Amen.
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 So, what I say in one month, I had in 1 month the last day. I have a mature son. Our target is for us to make heaven. And I can make heaven, Jesus. So today, I and this beautiful family, I may present this token. This is a check of 300,000 naira. We're presenting it to my brother-in-law and the beautiful wife. So as we are sharing in this joy, on your own day, people will gather to celebrate you. He deserves more than this. He deserves more than this. Like I said before, he's one of the people that I can talk about 80% of him. From the day when I married her, she came by my neighbor about that. When he was small, you need to see his picture open by his sister. I'm very humble and also yes, that yes, yes. I give him 1 million naira, every day, okay, accurate calculation, 1 naira, breakdown got it correct. When you can't have another person, if you accurate, with me, there is somebody, today I will talk about it. No, I'm going to go. But this man here, Lucy, the only thing you will do for me, I'm not going to say everything here now, but I know before you take off, I will sit you down, both of you, and talk to both of you as a father. I am a proud father. And when I look around and see the things I do, see the people I'm raising, I know I am a father.
Yes, of three.
There are situations that will arise or will arose from rose, mother rose. The way we handle it, you will tell me that yes, I am a father. So if you have me, you don't need any other person. Anything you cannot tell me, don't tell it to any other person. Don't even tell my wife, because only I will not come up. What did you want to tell Lagos? We are back home. I'm going to tell you. Call me at any time. Tell me whatever it is, and you will get it sorted. This person will be very important to us and to you. More important to you. More important to you. He is one of the person that you should don't play with him, and I'm sure you won't play with him. I can leave my children with a boy and travel to America and come back. The children will be here. You don't go here back out. Caring, he can care for you. There's nothing you can testify to that. So I want you, both of you, go inside and plan. Marriage is not this ceremony today. Now, from now onwards, marriage starts. Marriage is not all about what you can, dancing, people eating, dancing and spraying money. No, this is just ceremony. To tell people, say, this is what we have. The marriage starts from now. How both of you will be able to carry yourself, manage the situation that will come, is what makes it a marriage. So if you can learn today, make God your number one. That thing you will tell your brother, your sister, the way they will present it might not be alright, but if you can tell it to God, and for you, both of you, this is what you do, I don't like it. I'm sorry. There's one thing about us. I am sorry. You will see me boiling, this one will tell me, I assure you I'm sorry. And every of anger that is in me will just dissolve. And she don't be, I go take my own and sorry, they take her the good guy. I'm not going to talk and make her good guy small. But if I see say the thing don't they come on for you, I go say, okay, I am sorry. Even when I am offended, when I'm supposed to be saying sorry to, I still say I am sorry. That's what this today. Some things you look away. Sometimes just do as if you don't see it. Because if you begin to talk about everything where you see, you will soon get tired. Some things do as if it never existed. Take it the way, open up to the last chapter. Take it the way it is. For peace, your peace is what matters. And when you have peace of mind, your marriage will be a sweet one. Your mother is here very young, and you thank God you have a young mother. And I'm sure she's an experienced mother who will always advise you positively. My mother-in-law is another person. I won't even, you've not met with her, but I know you are talking with her. She's one of the persons that can, she will give you everything. I was telling somebody yesterday night that since I got married in this family, I've never for one day, father-in-law or mother-in-law called my phone, saying we need 1 naira. But I'm telling you this, it has never happened. Or we want an adult. Even when you tell her we want to give children 1,000, she will say no, don't leave her. Take care of your children. That's how for you. I've never seen disturbance from those both parents. And I'm sure the children too. Onyenkana, she's another person. Because she was like a mother. Or she is like a mother to us. And when I'm not going my wife, I can tell her. Because the way she will handle it, Ada cannot take it the same way. Ada will assign in a positive way. The way she will talk to you, you can see, walking in the hand of women. So God really bless her by bringing her into this family. Now all of us get this family. You mommy, you can call me. Uncle, you can call me. I can call you. See the way you have no listener. I don't want to. Instead of you were on the outside, we can conceal it within ourselves. Maybe we have family. Can you be outside? Because so to the outside, you shall call you on the outside also. I don't know what to show you. One family I must have. So today I bless this union and all my children, my family. This is my director, my Steve Photo, my Amusu, my younger brother, my continuity person, my artist, my brother from the one, my artist, my boy, my native doctor, all these are my artists. Then these are my children. All of us, this is my sister. Got one name mine. Then this is my boy. So we have a very big family. So many people are mine. Oh my God. Oh my God. Over here. Come around and because they are into lands and property selling. So these are my children. Mommy, so I want a very large family. Don't worry, you got your mobile. If you're bad, I got your family. You got more time. So I make a loan for giving us your beautiful daughter. Make a loan for allowing our son to come in. So Chineke, I go to build this union already. Today marks the beginning of their open doors. And those say if they go, no, there's no going back again in Jesus' name. You want to say something?